Are you ready to transform your health with just 15 minutes a day? These walking exercises might surprise you. In today's video, we're going to explore a fast and effective workout designed to help you lose belly fat quickly. This routine is simple to follow and can fit into even the busiest of schedules. Tip 1. First, focus on maintaining a brisk pace during your walk. This is key because it increases your heart rate, which is essential for burning calories and targeting belly fat. Tip 2. Next, add intervals to your walk. By alternating between a fast walk and a moderate pace, you can boost your metabolism, making your workout more effective for fat loss. Tip 3. The third tip is to incorporate strength movements, like walking lunges or knee lifts. Many people underestimate the impact of these exercises, but they're crucial for engaging more muscles and burning additional calories. Promotion section: upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Tip 4. Another great tip is to stay consistent. By committing to this 15-minute workout every day, you can achieve lasting results and a noticeable reduction in belly fat. To recap, these 4 tips: maintaining a brisk pace, adding intervals, incorporating strength movements, and staying consistent are powerful steps toward a fast and effective belly fat burning workout. Start today and see how quickly you can transform your body. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit.